Alright guys, welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, man. So today's video is gonna be about me painting my pillar pods for my Chevy S10, man. I've been wanting to do it for the longest, and today is the day to go ahead and paint this thing up, man. And then what we're gonna do is when we finish, we're gonna go ahead and mount this thing up so we can see what it look like, man, because I want to see what it's gonna look like, don't y'all? So y'all just stick around, stay around, man. Make sure y'all watch the whole video, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man, and yeah, enjoy the video, man. So let's show y'all. Alright guys, so here is the pillar pod. We got 3 holes for each pillar. Now we'll be running the oil pressure, the fuel, and the voltage, because we need that voltage, guys. Right now I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the truck, why the battery keep dying. Something is running inside the truck all night long. I'm trying to figure that out right now, guys. So it's just been a long process of me trying to figure out what's going on with that. But once I do get that going, guys, we will be installing these pillar pods, and yeah, it's gonna be lit up at night. So y'all just wait and see, man. It's gonna be like a red LED. So y'all just stick around, man. I got a whole lot of videos coming up, man. And yes, consider subscribing if you like the content, man. It's only gonna grow even bigger from here. So if y'all guys believe in me, hey, I believe in y'all too, man. So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and start the paint process. All right, guys. So what y'all want to do when y'all in the painting process, you want to go ahead and you want to lay down some light coats, guys, because if you don't, this paint will peel up and it's not going to look as good. So what you want to do is you just want to, you know, spray just real light, guys, not too much. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and put down at least 5 coats on this, so that way the paint will stick and it will last a little bit longer. But yeah, guys, as you can see, man, it's starting to look pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna let it dry some more and then lay down some more coats. Then I'm gonna show y'all what it's gonna look like at the end. All right, so King's Life, hey, stay with me, man. All right, you guys, so we back, man. All the painting is done. This thing is completely dry. So now what we're about to do, man, we're about to go test fit it, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Hey, stay locked and keep watching. All right, guys, so we definitely working, man, but look at the way it came out, guys. Like the red and everything matches everything else. I love the way it came out, man. That's why I say don't rush anything, guys, because you know, if you rush things, it ain't gonna turn out the way you want it, man. But I've been taking my time with this truck, even though it's not road ready yet, guys. I've been taking my time with it because I know these projects, they take time, guys. So you don't want to rush these things, you know. You don't want to rush them, because things like that, let me get my keys up out of here, things like that will you know, it'll just mess up, man, and it won't go your way. You always want things to go your way, man, even though we know in life that's not the case. It won't always happen like that, but in these cases, if you're doing projects like this, you don't want to, you know, run into any issues, guys. You want to, you know, just bolt up and everything will work pretty good. Just like what I did here. Right now, I'm trying to figure out what's draining the battery. I don't know what it is, guys. That's the problem that I'm having right now. The battery won't stay charged. I installed a new alternator for this truck, guys. I put a brand new battery in this thing. I spent a lot of money on the battery. I went through 3 batteries already for this truck, guys. Like I said, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I might end up taking it to a mechanic shop to see if they can pinpoint the issue. That way I can stop messing with this thing. Every day I've just been trying to figure it out, what's going on and everything. So I might have to just take it to a mechanic shop, like I said, man, and get this thing all the way done right. That way I can at least start putting this thing on the road, guys. But it's starting to look pretty good. I like the way everything is turning out. Like I said, you want to take your time when you doing these type of projects. And you know, let me open up the door from this side. That way you guys can get a whole better look at the pillar pods. But yeah, I got my cables down there and everything. But yeah, man, it's starting to look pretty good, guys. Like, I can't wait to just finish this thing. It's gonna look really nice. And the project overall, guys, is you know, it's a backyard project. You know what I'm saying? It's not perfect, but hey, man, at the end of the day, I did conquer what I wanted to do. So that's all it takes in life, guys. You just want to conquer things. And you know, you just want to build things on your own, man. You don't want to, you know, having to go to shops all the time. You know, this is custom. It's not perfect, like I said, guys. I got things up in here that's not perfect, but hey, I try to make it work. I try to make it work as you know, as much as I could. And you know, it's nice, man. I like it. Right now I'm looking at a beehive. I'm not sure why it's in here. Knock that down, man. So I guess it's some bees been coming up in here, guys. But yeah, like I said, man, it's turning out pretty good, guys, for the most part. And I can't wait to slap those those gauges in there. It's gonna look really nice. And yeah, man, that's all I got for the video, guys. I just want to show y'all. Let me see if it'll start, man. That way I can show you guys on how the screen look and everything, just in case if you new stopping in for the very first time. We will be doing more things once I get everything in the inside button up, guys. I will be focusing on the body and paint next, so we can get that done. And possibly some red carpet. I want to go with some red carpet in here. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. But let's get this thing cranked up. All right, guys, let's give it a shot, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, turning on. It's turning on, but something is definitely draining the battery, like I said. And I don't know what it is. Like, whatever it is messing up my screen and everything. The screen comes on fine, but like I said, once the battery drain and everything else is just starting not working. So just like I said, I'm just trying to figure that out right now. Let's see if we can turn that down. That's probably the most important thing I love about this radio, man, is the GPS, man, to be honest with y'all. And that is, you know, that is just a screen too. But man, overall, it's just coming out, man. Everything's coming out the way I want it to look. Like I said, it ain't perfect, but hey, man, this is my truck, and I love the way I built it, man. This is your boy King's Life, checking out with a new video, man. Hey, I'll see y'all on the next vlog. I'm trying to drop more vlogs now, so hey, y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate you guys. Love you. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.
I just want a bag like an old lady.